power is shifting on Wall Street. The people have the power now, and the people decide what goes on. We've seen a lot of corruption, a lot of scandals going on these past couple days, active trading days in the market. Restrictions from Robinhood, TD Ameritrade restrictions, Citadel stuff. Just terrible corruption from high hedge fund people and institutions that started to get the crap kicked out of them, and then they pivoted and used their power to then screw over the retail investor. But I think this is a revolution. I think something's changing big in the market. I think there's some big things on the horizon, and I'm all in. I'm all in with the market. You guys know that. I'm more of an Amazon type guy. We got earnings tomorrow. I bet 75K on it. We'll see what happens. But I'm pumped and I'm happy that people are fighting back, and that's awesome. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I know I did. Played a little tennis tournament for college. Got the dub. All good. Just very blessed, and I'm ready for this weekend. And I'm ready to see, the Redditors, you guys, stepping up even more, making some big plays, and kicking the teeth in some of these scumbags on Wall Street. So let's keep it up. Enjoy this video. Hit the like and subscribe if you want. If you don't, I totally understand, but it would mean a lot to me. But let's jump right in this video. So as someone who's still on Robinhood, obviously I am affected by these changes. Robinhood put a little update today right here. There are temporary limits on certain securities that we will be updating regularly. So let's go ahead and see that list currently and what they are. So AMC, you can have a max of 75 shares. BlackBerry, 700. Express, 200. GameStop, 4. 4 shares that you are able to buy. It's kind of ridiculous. This is actually ridiculous, and I've never seen this. And no fractional shares as well. I don't know the thought process behind this. I really don't. I understand volatility and people could lose money. I get that. But what gives you the right to tell someone that they cannot purchase a security? What gives you the right to tell someone they cannot take a risk to try to make money in this market, which is literally the definition of what this market stands for? It's taking risks and investing in companies for a future return. This is exactly what people are doing. People see opportunities in things like GameStop. They see that GameStop has a short interest of still over 100% in the stock, and they expect a short squeeze. So they want to buy into it before the shorts cover, and then they make money. But for some reason, Robinhood is maximizing you at 4 shares or 5 options contracts. Significantly less than all the other ones. I understand that GameStop is a little bit more. But I mean, come on, 4 shares? That's kind of ridiculous, especially when we go here and we look at the price of GameStop, and it's sitting at $257. Wow, it was down a lot today. It was down 35% at one point. It's still down 20% now. It's going down a lot. And as you guys can clearly see, obviously he's still up a lot from the week, but I mean, this stock hit $500 at one point, and now it's literally half of that. So obviously some people are bag holding, and it's rough for a lot of people right now because they're literally reducing how much you can buy. And the majority of these retail investors buy on Robinhood. Robinhood was supposed to be the app for the people. The one that people can go on their phone, buy a stock quick, the average blue collar worker. But I mean, we're seeing that they don't stand for that. And, it's kind of screwing over a lot of people. I mean, AMC was up a lot today. It was up over $17 once the market opened, and now it's fallen back to about 14. I don't even know if it'll keep its gains. It's rough right now. Hedge funds and Wallstreebets are really going at it, and I like it. I want Wallstreebets to come out on top. You guys know that. I'm very passionate about, just freedom. I don't think people should tell people what to do with their money. I think that's the whole point of, a free society and market, that people are allowed to do whatever they want with their money. I want to go ahead and put, this much money into Amazon. We have obviously a lot, considering the fact we put a leap call in. That's 57K worth of Amazon. I should be allowed to do that if I want to do that. If I want to take that risk, let me take that risk. If I want to buy GameStop stock or AMC stock or BlackBerry, well, then I should be able to do that because it's my money and it's my choice. I don't like the fact that people are telling people what they can and cannot do, especially brokers. Brokers should not have any sort of stance whatsoever. They are simply there to allow people to purchase securities. They are not there to influence their beliefs. They are not there to do anything. They are simply there to be a broker. Politics aside, you don't get involved in politics when you are in control of a lot of people's money. When people are putting their faith in you to do your job, which is simply in this case, in exchange where people can buy and sell securities. Okay? Not buy 4 shares of a security and sell as many as you want. No, that's ridiculous. You're just trying to help the hedge funds out, and that's stupid. And I think people should be able to do whatever they want. You guys clearly know I'm very bullish in this market. I am completely against shorting. I've done it a couple times, including GameStop, and I lost money. I don't like shorting anymore. I think shorting's stupid. And if you're on most companies, if you're bullish long term, it's pretty safe bet. We're very bullish on Amazon, Baba, Visa, all these. We're making pretty good money on it, and we're doing something for society. I mean, short selling does absolutely nothing to help society whatsoever. It just hurts companies, it hurts shareholders, it hurts people who work there. And the fact that these are the guys getting bailouts, these are the guys getting help is just ridiculous. I see one thing that the market's crashing and people are losing their 401ks and stuff. You're helping scumbags who short the market and use deceitful, immoral tactics to scare retail investors who, are putting their savings that they have, that they work for so hard into the market. And then you're going to go ahead and just basically say F you to them and, oh, well, you're going to lose money because, we got to help our friends out because our special interest lies with them where our money comes from. So it's just ridiculous, and it's sad that this is happening, especially since like the retail investor, that's what Wall Street always wanted. He wanted the average people to get into the market, and now they're start to win, and then it's like, you got to take a step back. We're the only ones allowed to actually win here. So it's ridiculous corruption, and I hope these people are held accountable, and I hope some people actually go to jail. I hope something sends a message that this stuff should not be allowed. It's supposed to be a free market where people can do as they please. And for some people to tell other people what they can and cannot do is just ridiculous. And to screw over the average American is so corrupt and awful. But anyways, guys, that's just me. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you guys are having a great day. There's a lot going on this week, as you guys know, in the market. We have Amazon earnings coming out tomorrow after the bell. We're obviously have about 55K worth of our option contract and then about 8,000 worth of put credit spreads as well on Amazon. So obviously very, very bullish. I'm expecting this to go to about 36 to 3,700 of good earnings plus maybe a stock split as well. And then we'll cash out this position and probably get into something like Apple and a couple of the other safer stocks and play Theta Gang. So that's really about it, guys. Our account's been growing a lot since we started this about a year and a half ago. And we're about 44,500. So very good, very happy, very blessed. And hopefully Robinhood and other brokers will do the right thing and help the American people out. But that's just what I believe, and hopefully you guys believe the same. And if not, tell me why, and hopefully you guys have a great day. But that's about it, guys. Bye.